My dishwasher gets too hot on dry cycle, melts plastic. I've replaced the high-limit thermostat and that did not work.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
Kitchen 8 Cudco 3 FVSS 4.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I did not run a diagnostic. I was hoping to do the repair myself if it wasn't too involved. We are short on money, and frankly, I feel good when I fix things, but I don't want to make things worse, either.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It ran fine. I replaced the thermostat, and it ran okay, just too hot. Now, it stopped working. I read that there is a fuse that kicks when the unit gets too hot, and that must have happened. I'm just looking for ideas as to why it gets that hot. Could it be a timer, the vent stuck closed, or something else I haven't considered?
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Standing by.
So the only reason the dishwasher would get that hot is either a bad control board or a bad temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is also the water clarity sensor called the turbidity sensor, which twists into the bottom of the sump. You'll want to order and replace this part first, since it's a lot cheaper than the control board and not something you can test like the high-limit thermostat. Below is a link to the sensor, and if that doesn't work, you'll need to replace the control board, I'm sorry to say. Click here for sensor. As for the fuse that likely failed, if the dishwasher is no dead, that is clipped onto the control board in the upper right-hand corner of the dishwasher door. Below is a link to the fuse. Click here for fuse. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Isn't the tub dry when it's in the dry cycle? Is the turbidity sensor work in a dry environment? So, it's one or the other. Either a $50 fix or the controller. Just to be sure, any other possibilities?
The tub is dry, yes. But turbidity sensor is a dual-purpose sensor, so it checks water quality, but it also controls the temperature, or tells the control board when the temperature has been reached anyways. But yes, it's either the sensor or the control board, that's it.
Thank you so much. I'm confident I can do these tasks. You've eased my mind. Look for a positive review.
Thank you very much. Let me know if you need anything else.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.